Welcome to day 28 of my 0 to 10K challenge with Amazon ads for my Amazon KDP books. I'm Dean the Wealth Coach, and let's begin. So let's do KDP. So I kind of noticed something yesterday for one of my books. I'm going to change up the other ones, but I noticed that this title was very small and you couldn't read it in this box. So I re-uploaded it and made the title larger, the font size larger, so that when you see it on the when you see it on the Explore page, I guess, you could actually read the font. So keep that in mind when creating your title, something that people can read in the little thumbnail or Explore page. I did reduce the price a bit of the books. So these ones, the journals, I have to fix because it's kind of tiny to read. It's hard to see. So I'm going to change those. Probably change the pictures too to see if that brings that allows people to click to see if they would actually want to purchase the journals. So let's go over to reports. Let's see what happens. Let's see if I hit the jackpot. Nope. No jackpot today. Still no sales. So it looks like I'm gonna have to go back to the drawing board. Let's see. I might enroll to KDP books or select. See if that helps as well. Probably these things too. I'm not sure what this is, but this might help as well. KDP select. Let's see what this is. Oh, one at a time. So you have to enroll each book. Let's try enrolling these books or the ebooks for KDP select. So let me put this one in there. Alright, so put one book in KDP select. Let's see, okay, so one is in there now. Let's put the other ones in there as well. Again, I just want to mention, if you guys are finding value in these videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button to keep up to date with these challenges that I'm doing, book reviews, anything that you guys want to learn about when it comes to building wealth. Just leave a comment below and I will make a video about it. Let's see, so let me see. Okay, so I got two more. Put these in there as well. All right. Okay, so let's go marketing, put one more in there. I think with KDP select, if the person does like the book, I might end up buying it, or I get paid based off of the amount of pages they read, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so all the books are in KDP select now. Let's go back to the original marketing page, see what my ads are doing. So I spent a bit of money. I noticed one I reduced. Which one was it? The credit one. I stopped spending as much money, but no sales, which is okay. I'm getting like 1-2 clicks. So I'm gonna have to look elsewhere to see what I can find to help, because I'm not getting that many clicks. The impressions went up, but the clicks I'm not getting. Today's the 8th. the clicks are not coming in. So I need to figure out what is going on here, or I gotta increase these a bit, but I don't want to increase it too much because then I don't want to run into this issue here. I'll show you guys. I'm getting the clicks, but I'm paying 61 cents. So I spent $30 and I only made $4. So that's not worth it. So I need to look into this. So I gotta figure out something to get these to convert. When in doubt, look for a mentor, take a class. Because right now YouTube is not cutting it. There's something that I'm missing that's not converting, or my books just suck. So let's see here. Same thing with Canada. Canada's not budgeting or budging. Yeah, Canada's not budging, so I'm not sure what's going on. Plus the auto, I think it's the auto ads. Yeah, these are on auto ads, and I think I'm at like $1 or no 75 cents. Yeah, 75 cents. 75 cents isn't bad for the ads, but they're not converting. So I'm not sure what's going on with Canada. I need to figure that out. Why I'm not getting clicks there. So as you can see, I got 2 low content books. I got a kids book, and I got 2 high content books, so 5 books in total. Spent $60 since starting this challenge. Made $24 in sales or $24 in sales from these ads. If you go to the reports, well, it's the estimator. So if I go custom, $58. So I spent more than I made, so which is not a good sign. So I gotta find out how to increase these sales. If you guys have any questions or have any tips or tricks, leave it in the comments below. I reply pretty fast, and I will see what I can do. So as of right now, we're a long way from hitting 10 grand. However, this journey has showed me that you have to be patient when it comes to these ads. It's not going to be an overnight success for a lot of people that thought it was, which is fine. I'm passionate about writing books, so if I don't make $1, I'm okay with it because I have the satisfaction of completing these books. One day, somebody, or even if it's one person that picks up these books and finds value in it, I did my job. So that brings us to the end of this video. I will see you for day 29 tomorrow, and day 30 I will do a full review of everything that I've learned, any hurdles I had to overcome, any tips that I've learned. I will share them with you guys. Have yourself an amazing day, and see you tomorrow.